SUPRA is probably cooking one thing after another behind closed doors, and we don't even know about it. At least not yet. What's up, guys? Crypto Audit King here. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Be sure to stay throughout the full video because there's some things I want to point out that you probably don't even know, both in technical analysis, price patterns, little predictions analysis, as well as just little news and rumors that we're seeing and hearing throughout social media. I hope you're having an amazing day. It is currently March 17th, 8:04 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. A little bit of a small little detail about today. It's my dad's birthday, so just got off the phone with him and wished him a very happy birthday. So if you guys don't mind saying happy birthday, Crypto Audit King dad or whatever, it would just mean the world to him. I will just show him the comments. I will show him the overall little things that you guys say because SUPRA community, we are a family and we're growing. You guys are absolutely killing it right now on social media. Everywhere that you go and research or bump into a video, SUPRA community is on one. They are active. They are ready to go. All they need is pretty much the price to go skyrocket, okay? You see these little tweets? Where am I pointing to? Where am I pointing to? Right there. You see right there? I've been going a little crazy on Twitter, man. SUPRA is hyping me up a little too much. I am buying, once again, little bits at a time. And things are starting to heat up on the price analysis. One thing I want to point out, though, I did send out this tweet. By the way, go follow me on Twitter. It is Crypto Audit King. It's down below in the description. Make sure you follow the correct account and not a scam account. There's going to be a lot of fake accounts. I don't want your wallet or any of your funds getting hacked. None of that. Do not get scammed, please. Okay, be sure it's the official ones. All of my official social media accounts will be down below in the description. And do me a quick little solid favor, click the like button and subscribe. Make sure you share this video. Make sure you go above and beyond because now more than ever, we will grind 10 times more than what we already are. I love SUPRA. I love the community. I'm not getting paid a single dime to do these videos. I am not getting paid. I'm not sponsored by SUPRA. None of that. I just do it because I love the community. I love the overall coin. I love everything about it. And I'm here for a very long time. This is going to take time. It's not an overnight sensation. And those that are patient will be rewarded. I sent out a tweet right there on your screen saying SUPRA is probably cooking more stuff behind closed doors and we don't even know about it until the time is right. Now, this is one of those rumors from Just Kevin. Man, I need to know where the heck my camera is at. From Just Kevin 545. He said a very interesting thing that caught my attention. Matter of fact, it caught a lot of people's attention just because this tweet, the reply alone got 35 likes and it pretty much got some good exposure compared to other replies, right? You know, one, maybe two. But this one got people's attention. He said, and I quote, rumor was that a major SUPRA Labs partnership would be announced soon. 2 days later, MasterCard news came out. It turns out that the same source that said a partnership would be announced is now saying an even bigger development for SUPRA is around the corner. I'm not saying that this news is going to come out tomorrow, 2 days, 3 days, next week. It can be weeks, months. Trust me on this. Where did this source come from? A good response was, trust me, bro. That's it, okay? That's pretty much it. It's just a rumor, okay? It could not be true. It may not be true, sorry. And it could be right. I mean, the first one was very nice about the MasterCard being the partnership, okay? That's one step. But if it's bigger than the MasterCard partnership, I wonder what it could be. If you have any predictions, comment down below anything. Literally, one single comment helps the algorithm big time. It gets more eyeballs, more views, more exposure, and overall the community just grows. So be sure to interact with this video or even on Twitter, whichever you think is best. So exciting times for a developing ecosystem with immense potential. I totally agree. One thing I want to point out before I get to the technical analysis side, one thing I do want to point out is that if this next bigger development, news comes out, do not do what a newbie is thinking. I know it's going to be hard to not do this because whenever you are first into crypto, trust me, I've been there, done that. Okay, I've been in this for, oh my gosh, 10 years now. Way back in the day, whenever I first started, I would get into a project, whichever one it was. It was either, whatever, play to earn, or a meme coin, or an NFT, or just in general an altcoin. Major news would drop for a specific project, coin, collectible, whatever, right? And the price would either not move or it would drop. That mindset of don't take this the wrong way. That mindset of a newbie is, wow, this Mastercam news came out, it's super bullish, the price isn't doing anything, it's a scam. Or, the price didn't do anything with the news, it's still dead because of that, because the price didn't go up immediately. Ladies and gentlemen, if you've been in crypto for a while, you probably already know pretty much this. You're just numb to things like this. Whenever news drops about stuff like this, the price does not reflect immediately. It does take some time for the partnership or news or articles or whatever bullish content it is to take effect. It could be months, it could be years. A really good example was Tron. Tron was, I say this over and over and over and over again, okay? I apologize for sounding like a broken record, but it's true. Like, Tron was pushing out partnerships, exchanges after exchanges, it's one big announcement after another, and the price was just dropping. It wasn't years after until the price of Tron actually started showing that value. 10 cents, 15 cents, 25, 30, 35, 40 into the most recent prices that it has actually pushed. That is what I believe SUPRA is going to be doing. This MasterCard news could be a 10-cent news. It could be a 5-cent, 2-cent, 1-cent type of priced announcement, but that will not take effect until way in the future. I do want to tell you that and be honest and transparent. So, whenever the bigger development news or whatever it is, if it's true, does come and it reveals itself, don't expect the price to skyrocket. It might do like a little run up, but it will not do like a 10, 20, 30, 40, 50x that these newbies are thinking about that it will do, okay? Just being honest and just being transparent. This channel will take care of you and tell you things how it is 100% of the time. So on to SUPRA price analysis, technical analysis, and what I'm seeing. So right now, currently at the current time of recording, current, I'm just repeating what the heck I'm saying, but 3 zeros and a 4440 is what the price is at. And one thing, if you've been watching the content for a while already, I've said that a little pump is most likely going to happen soon. The prices and the patterns, history does not repeat itself, but it sure does like to rhyme, right? We saw this happen right here. Then a smaller scale happened right here. A smaller scale happened right here. And I'm predicting, what I'm seeing is that if it does repeat itself, we may see the same thing happen somewhere around here. What is really nice to see about SUPRA currently is that it's staying pretty solid and really in a flat zone for a while already, at least since February 24th, give or take. Like the last week of February, we have seen the price of SUPRA stay stagnant to flat around this all-time low of 4 to give or take 4.5 to 4.8. Give or take, somewhere around there. Little wicks up, little wicks down. And I do believe this may be the zone to accumulate before the big pop that we might see. No promises, no guarantees, but I do see this type of move in a way micro scale in which we could see the price run up, and first target would not surprise me of 3 zeros and a 6. And I will be 100% transparent with you and everything that I'm buying right now, I'm accumulating a pretty decent size around this range. It is a very high risk, okay? Very high risk. Yes, the chart is down since, you know, the existence of SUPRA. We're down overall like 96%, 99%, whatever it is. Yeah, 99.4% pretty much, okay? 11.39 million market cap, $1.23 million in the last volume in the last 24 hours. So, yes, it's a very low market cap. It's actually 2 very low market caps overall from the MasterCard partnerships. It's like Riles, I think it was, and SUPRA. I think I pronounced the first, or remember the first one right. I still need to look into that project, by the way. But anyways, this right here is still looking very solid, that it's holding this range in which it could be the range to accumulate, and it could see that pop within time. Maybe not tomorrow, maybe not next week, but in a few months, few weeks, I don't know. But I do see it happening somewhere within this range. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. So be it. I don't care. It's a prediction, okay? But as I was saying, you know, I am accumulating around this range pretty hefty, more than I would probably want to, but man, you just have that itch. You just want some more, right? I'm not going like balls deep, bro. Like, no. Oops. Sorry if I sounded a little unprofessional, but you know. Anyways, sorry. But this right here, I'm accumulating around this range. And if we do pop and see 3 zeros and a 6, I will most likely sell at least half from what I was buying over here and take some profit from the prices that I'm buying from this range as a safety net. You don't have to do that. I'm doing it just to be safe about it. And then once I sell a certain, not all of it, but a certain percentage around this range, I'm going to let the rest of it just ride out, okay? I want to be safe about it. I'm a safe trader. You know, anything could happen. We could hit here, reject, and come back down to all-time low, and then you'll be like, oh, I should have took profit and waited for a dip, buy back, you know, stuff like that, okay? We could just break through this yellow and go even higher, okay? We could, but we don't know. So that's why I'm going to take a little safety measure and take a little profit within this first yellow range. It can be anywhere 30% to 50%. I still don't know, but I'll decide once that happens. So I think that's it for this video. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you click that like button, subscribe, super community. I love you all so much. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else I want to point out. I think that's it. So take it easy, guys. I'm out. Peace.